Hi, John Chapin with your latest sales tip. And this tip involves one of the most important character traits of top salespeople. And that character trait is self-discipline. Self-discipline is important because it ensures you do the hard work every day, whether you feel like it or not, because there will be days when you don't feel like it. One of the most difficult paths a salesperson maneuvers is that of staying motivated throughout the day. Motivation ebbs and flows, so it isn't a reliable source for getting us to do what needs to be done. Self-discipline is a much better tool for that. Self-discipline is a habit that, once installed, will cause you to automatically get done what needs to get done in order to be successful. To install self-discipline, you start with a daily plan of action. How many calls, follow-up calls, emails, mailers, other forms of contact do you need to make every day in order to talk to the number of people you need to talk to make the number of sales you need to make? Once you know what that daily number is, then you do whatever you have to do to achieve that number, no matter what, no matter how you feel, no matter what happens during the day. So self-discipline is what's necessary to get you to do that activity every day. And after 3 months of having the self-discipline, forcing yourself to make the calls every day, day in, day out, self-discipline becomes a habit, and then you'll automatically get done what needs to get done, regardless of what happens during the day. At that point, if you have a bad day, perhaps you got a flat tire on the way to work, you had an argument with your spouse, whatever happened during that bad day, if you have the self-discipline, you'll still fall back on that. You'll show up on that difficult day, put your game face on, and do what needs to be done. And if you can simply do that one thing, show up every day and do what needs to be done, especially on the tough days, you'll be light years ahead of most people. You'll be extremely successful in pretty much whatever you do. And by the way, willpower does work. You can will that self-discipline right off the bat. Look, if you're on a diet and there's a donut sitting there, you're either going to eat that donut or not eat that donut based upon a simple decision that your spouse, the competition, has nothing to do with. So self-discipline requires you have specific, measurable daily goals and that you doggedly pursue those on a daily basis for about a 3-month period. Develop that self-discipline. Once you have it, you'll automatically do what needs to be done during the day so you can be successful. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to CompleteSelling.com. And if you like this video, do me a favor and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.